one to do your gardener apron?
Yeah! So this is from the 1870s.
Mhm.
It's from Scotland. And we can see down here a square encompasses. We see a bee's hive. We already talked on the master's cupboard about the bee's hives and all-seeing eye on there to exemplify or illustrate deity or the grand architect. For Masons, it's the grand architect.
Right.
But there are some other things on here that don't necessarily fit in with free and accepted Masons symbolism. And that's because this is not a free and accepted Mason's apron. This is a free and accepted gardener's apron. And they use primarily for their symbolism the Garden of Eden. Of course, Gardener's Garden of Eden.
That makes a lot of sense.
So you will see a number of different things. Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden is the primary focus of their symbolism, but they have an ark, and most of the other things where we have a trowel and we have levels and plums that deal specifically with the trading or the building trades. Free and accepted gardeners are going to have slightly different things. Gardening implements, a pruning knife inside the square encompasses, you name it. I'm not a free and accepted gardener, so I can't pretend like I know a bunch of this stuff. However, our account is more about Masonry.
Yes.
So this is just an example of perhaps a fraternity or a guild or some symbolism that you will find that isn't Freemasonry. So we don't want to automatically think that everything that looks like Freemasonry is Freemasonry.